Entrepreneurs of eastern part of Meghalaya, numbering 80 of them, are expected to take part at the two-day facilitation program for food processing enterprises organized by Prime Hub along with Northeast Small Finance Bank at Jawaharlal Nehru Sports Complex at Polu in Shillong. The program will facilitate prospective entrepreneurs to avail bank loans without interest. The bank loan is available up to the tune of rupees 10 lakh with relaxed years of clearing the loan. The state government is taking the responsibility to pay the interest component of the loan. Its aim is to enable the entrepreneurs of the state to enhance their businesses. Speaking to the media, Director of Basic Management Agency, which falls under the Planning Department, Government of Meghalaya, B. Maulong, said the same program is also being held at Tura for the Garo Hills region. He hopes that the program will be of great help to the entrepreneurs of the state. The branch manager of the Northeast Small Finance Bank, Iba Mautho, informed that participants are enthusiastic to take loans from the bank. One of the entrepreneurs, B. Sten, said that she is interested to take a bank loan up to 7 lakh rupees to improve her processing unit in Ribhoi district.
To introduce you to today's program, which we're having here at the Prime Hub in GN Stadium in Polo Ground, Shillong. The program today is basically actually a loan mela. It's about how we are introducing the ease of banking, introducing a credit facility to our entrepreneurs. And today we are targeting mostly food processing entrepreneurs, and we are calling it zero interest loan for these entrepreneurs. But actually the interest per se is not really zero. The bank is charging interest. Government of Meghalaya, through our Prime Hub, we are bearing the cost of the interest. So for the entrepreneurs it is zero interest, but actually there is an interest which we are bearing the cost. It's going to be a 2-day program, right from 10 o'clock in the morning till 5 in the evening. So people can walk in at any point of time. We have already made a few calls to around more than 200 entrepreneurs across the state. So we're having 2 venues of a similar program like this. We're having one here in Shillong and another one in Tura. So Shillong will be catering to people from the Khas Hills, Janta Hills, Ribhoi region, and in Tura they'll be catering to the Garo Hills region. We are expecting around 80 responses who had given confirmation that they'll be coming to Shillong. So throughout the day people can trickle in, they can walk in. We've already called them, we asked them to bring all the relevant documents. This program is being conducted by the Prime Hub, which is run under the MBMA and Planning Department, Government of Meghalaya, and we're partnering with Northeast Small Finance Bank. So the loan component is being given by the bank, while the government is footing the interest.
From the Northeast Small Finance Bank, we as a bank, we had a tie-up with Government of Meghalaya for providing credit to the food processor entrepreneur, and we are also looking forward that we wanted to improve the livelihood of the state, of the people of the state, and we are looking forward to be a successful program from these 2 days, today and tomorrow.
Ngapendi ukinigi ashar pun ijajo piso persyong di ashar do bisemken itit sembilan. Ia ketika kami ngalas sedang di arah jalan katlah kat sau maju sedang dimana di Meghalaya benlet ha dia kenika food racing let nadu sedem arah jalan kat kendai. Dia tak bisa ni kat kumga por mo ko ajangai ko asipola nang bang nakla ban he shu ia kata ka nadong sedang mo nadu mesin ru di bang adang duna ying adang duna ko mesin kata sipo ia tadi ba yo nga ai be kata ka food unit jonga ID state food unit Telongnya kini ke Asia tanah hijau-hijau di kerteng jongki.